Adding the product in the collection of Shopify is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you how to exactly do it. So before hitting the video, what I want you to do is to check out the link in the description below. I have provided a link of the Shopify so you guys can check it out. So if you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future update, and like this video and share this with your friends as well so that it will benefit me as well. So let's dive right into the video. So what you guys have to do is to open up the Shopify admin panel, and in the admin panel what you have to do is to go to the left hand side. On the left hand side you will see various options. What you have to do is to go ahead and click on the products. So once you click on the product, what you need to do is to go and add a product. So here you guys have to go ahead and select the collection option right over here. First thing first, you have to create a collection. In order to add any product in the collection, first thing you have to have a collection itself. So go ahead and create a collection. Give it a title, for example, that could be men. We give a beautiful description. I'm just giving a basic description for test purposes. I'm not going to post it. I'm just going to show you guys that you can type the description right over here, the title here, and here you can select the option based on your choice. For example, if you are making a descriptive collection for like shoes, so if you upload any sort of shoes products, it will automatically be redirected to this collection. So if you add a product that is related to shoes, so if you have selected the automated option, so the shoes product will be redirected to this collection. So always select it according to your requirement. So what you have to do further is to go ahead and add tags. So that way your tags will make sure that which products needs to be in this collection. So once you have created the collection, what you have to do is to save this. So for example, you have created a collection. Simply go ahead in the collection, type in the product or search the product right over here. If you have already uploaded a product, it will show up over here. So what you have to do further is to simply select that product and save the changes. That way you will be able to add that product into that collection. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.